This job is for junior IT support casual at HPX Group in Sydney, Australia. This is a part time entry level casual and hybrid role. HPX Group is a rapidly growing professional services business specializing in solving complex client problems and working with clients and advisors to build long term relationships and values. They are looking for a keen junior IT support casual with a passion for technology and helping others. Reporting to the IT support lead, the successful candidate will prepare laptops for new starters, assist with IT support requests, and provide in office technical support. They are a high performing team looking for someone with the drive and initiative to join them on their continued journey of growth and expansion. This position is suitable for a university student, ideally studying IT or similar. It can either be offered as 2 days per week or you could come into the office for a few hours each day. You will be required to work in their CBD office. If you are interested in this role, please visit HPX Group's website and apply from there. Thank you.